Hi, and welcome to Next Level Carpentry. You know, I'm excited to finally get started on a custom design build door project where I'm going to make a custom designed jamb and door to fill the opening and replace this flimsy cardboard door that's been in this divider wall ever since I built it. Way back when, I promised this video when I was doing a search for a perfect pallet wood, where I picked up this whole stack of these awesome pallet runners. They're virtually 2.5 inches by 3 inches, solid cherry, ash, maple, etc. And this stuff has been in the shop long enough where it's plenty dry to start work on this project, and I finally have time to get to it. This custom door and jamb project is one that viewers often ask about. It's one of the bigger builds that I've promised to viewers, along with some master carpenter sawhorses, some outfeed roller stands, and a master carpenter, professional carpenter's footstool project. So the pallet wood door project, along with those others, are ones that have been in a pipeline for a long time. But I recently decided that I'm going to have to switch to an episode format to get these build videos done. Viewers know that the recent video for building a batch of these Sumiki blocks ran 1 hour and 15 minutes, and a simple glue caddy, this one, took 45 minutes. So you can only imagine what a complete door build video project would end up like. I'd be here for months, and you'd be there for a week just watching it. So I decided to give an episode video format a shot and see how it works. Ready? Go. Because I want to do something unique and challenging, I turned to Pinterest and SketchUp to brainstorm for ways to leave the status quo of door design and construction. Let's go to the model and I'll show you what I ended up with. Here's the concept image I ended up with after going through a number of iterations. It's a 3/0 by 6/8 by 1 3/4 solid core door slab in an exterior style jamb, which allows use of a robust weather strip to minimize noise and dust infiltration. The door stiles and rails will be made of ash or maple with a center panel of quilted pallet wood strips over a high density fiberboard core. The jamb itself will be solid cherry from salvaged perfect pallet runners. This custom profile coved casing of laminated maple and cherry has a rabbited edge that fits into a dado in the jamb for a sleek, modern, and classy look. Inspiration for this sleek door trim design came from homes I toured in Jackson Hole last summer. Each episode in the series will cover parts of the complete build process, beginning with milling rough pallet wood runners into dimensional lumber for the jambs in episode 2. Other episodes will show fabrication, joinery, glue-up, and assembly of the one-of-a-kind door slab, milling of the unique jamb profile, fitting and installing concealed sauce-type hinges, and installing the weather stripping, which is a bit more challenging than it appears. The part I'm most excited to show you is making the custom coved and rabbited casing. I've never seen casing anything like this, and I'm anxious to show you the process for making completely original, unique custom millwork. I have a few tricks up my sleeve, and there's even a possibility you get to see a molding machine in action, but time will tell. In a later episode, you'll see how I spray apply a water-based polyurethane finish to the door and jamb to preserve the beauty of this wood. The last episode will show prep and installation of the lock set hardware, and ultimately final installation of the jamb and door. As you can see, that's a ton of material to cover, so I hope you understand my decision to use an episode format for this project. I also hope you'll stick around for all the episodes to see what really goes into a build like this, because I don't think many of you in the Next Level Carpentry audience are subscribed to watch me show how fast I can build a custom door in a 15-minute 30x time-lapse build video like you might expect from other woodworking channels. It's my goal to show you the how and why of advanced carpentry/woodwork, not to show off what I'm capable of in a flashy video production in a pristine shop environment. Well, I hope that SketchUp tour gives you a pretty good idea of where I'm headed with this custom shop door project, so that I can finally replace the cardboard door here and this exquisite hardware that I use for holding it in place. If you like this sort of video, I'd ask that you'd consider subscribing to Next Level Carpentry if you haven't already, and poke the thumbs up button if you would, so that YouTube knows things are happening here at Next Level Carpentry. There's some kind of funky things going on recently on YouTube with the subscriber count. Somehow since Christmas, the subscriber count has dropped 1,500 subscribers or so. They say it's just something in the Creator Studio, but time will tell. But I want to tell you that each and every new subscriber, each and every current subscriber means a lot, and you guys are the ones that are making this channel grow, and I really appreciate it. There's a list of some stuff that I used in this video. It's pretty limited in the video description for Amazon. The main thing in there is the 3D mouse that I use for manipulating in SketchUp. Any SketchUp users will kind of understand what that is. It might not be meaningful to anybody else. But to wrap up, thanks to all the patrons, new and old, that are helping offset the expense of running a YouTube channel and having a day job at the same time. So thanks a bunch to everybody on that list. I really appreciate it. And I guess I'm trying to keep this video short, so I'm going to wrap it up here and get to work on episode 2, making that jam. Thanks for watching. Cardboard door? Well, you've heard that cheap wine is cardboard dough. Well, this is a cardboard door. Pardon my French.